For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
With COVID-19 pandemic already reeling the world in 2020, Philippines has witnessed strongest typhoon of 2020. Super Typhoon Goni wrecked the southern part of the Philippines' main island of Luzon. Luzon witnessed violent winds and intense rain with 2 landfalls according to the island's weather bureau. Typhoon Goni has been termed as the world's strongest storm witnessed this year. Typhoon is becoming stronger after it gained further strength with over 225 km per hour with sustained winds and gusts up to 310 km per hour. The Weather Bureau has warned of a further larger impact of the typhoon. The Bureau has said that the catastrophic violent winds and intense torrential rainfall were expected to prevail over Bicol provinces as well as portions of Quezon, Laguna and Batangas and south of the capital Manila. The Weather Bureau has further warned that the typhoon is expected to graze southeastern tip of the main island of Luzon early Sunday before making landfall in the afternoon with wind speeds of up to 205 km per hour. Typhoon Goni has come a week after Typhoon Molave wrecked the same region, killing 22 people and flooding several low-lying villages in farmland. Typhoon Molave later swept across the South China Sea to Vietnam. The government of the Philippines has ordered the schools, which have been closed since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, to be used as emergency shelters. A maximum of 5 people will be allowed to take shelter in a single school room that previously would have held 16. The government-run evacuation centers and gymnasiums will also be used as emergency shelters. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council has said that there are very strong winds and there is an increased chance of widespread flooding and landslides. The Disaster Risk Management Center further warned that the storm surges are imminent in the coast and they are monitoring Mayon and Taal volcanoes for possible volcanic mud flows. The capital of the Philippines, Manila, is also in the projected path of Goni. The region is bracing for a third rainfall which is expected to hit Quezon province later on Sunday. It is being estimated that between 19 million and 31 million people could be affected, including those in danger zones. Storm surge alerts have been issued in the region, while officials have also reminded those in evacuation centers to observe social distancing as the coronavirus spread is also a concern. Dozens of international and domestic flights have been cancelled as the Civil Aviation Authority ordered one-day closure of Manila's main gateway, the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Every year, the Philippines is hit by an average of 20 storms and typhoons, which typically wipe out harvests, homes and infrastructure, affecting millions of people. Typhoon Goni is among the strongest typhoons to hit the Philippines since Typhoon Haiyan, which killed more than 6,300 people in 2013.